using the Lambda function in command equals from Tkinter. This is a very easy code to understand things. Main. And in another file, untitled, I have the get function. When I run the main, I receive the following error. Exception in Tkinter callback traceback. Most recent call last file break time equals 1s/break line 121. In main seek, request equals rpc dot request underscore q dot get block equals true. Timeout equals 0.05. File break time equals 1s/break line 175. In get raise empty q dot empty. During handling of the above exception, another exception occurred. Traceback, most recent call last. File. Line 1533 in call. Return self.func, *args. Type error. Missing 3 required positional arguments. EVT, current underscore wait, and entree 1. How can I solve that? I thought the Lambda function allows us to use some args in an event-dependent function.
The command lambda does not take any arguments at all. Furthermore, there is no f that you can catch. A lambda can refer to variables outside it. This is called a closure. Thus your button code should be. And your get should say.
Actually, you just need the entry object in tree1 as the lambda pass-in argument. Either statement below would work. With the function get defined as
Just put channel to some